welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our Baking Basics series. I know this is my second video this week. I'm kind of excited because I want to show you how to make homemade pumpkin puree. When I first came to Germany, I actually thought you had to buy pumpkin puree in a can because that's what I always did. And I thought to myself, where in the world am I going to find it? I can never make pumpkin pie again. And I realized that's really silly because how is pumpkin pie made if not from a pumpkin? So I decided to learn how to make pumpkin puree on my own, and I would like to share that with you. So let's get started.
We start out with a medium-sized pumpkin. Small pumpkins don't tend to yield very much, and large pumpkins don't fit in my pot, so medium is the best way to go. This particular pumpkin is a Hokkaido pumpkin, but any kind should work. I first cut the pumpkin in half and removed the seeds with a spoon. This spoon happened to have a bit of cinnamon on it, so that's the residue you're seeing. Then, once the pumpkin is clean, we want to remove the nubs. I cut them out with a knife. Then cut your pumpkin into large chunks. And place them into a large pot. Fill the pot with water to just cover the pumpkin, then boil the pumpkin until a fork goes into the pumpkin with ease. Then drain the water and rinse the pumpkin in cold water to cool it off. Allow it to cool before handling. Then with a small paring knife, remove the dark outer rind of the pumpkin. And cut the rest into small chunks and place it into a large mixing bowl. Then once you have all your pumpkin pieces ready to go, puree them either with a mixer or a blender or a food processor, whichever you prefer, but they should be soft enough to beat with an electric mixer. Scrape the sides with a spatula, remove any lingering chunks. But now we have a lovely pumpkin puree we can use for pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice cake or pumpkin bread. This yields between 2 and 5 cups of pumpkin puree depending on the size of your pumpkin. I got about 4 cups out of mine. Visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com and subscribe for more tutorials.